Most people use ChatGPT like a brilliant stranger with amnesia. Every new chat starts with the same ritual. Here is who I am. Here is what I'm doing. Here is the style I like. Here are the files. Please do not be weird. ChatGPT projects are the simplest way to stop starting over. Think of a project as a context pack, not a magic memory upgrade, not a second brain with perfect recall. A context pack, project instructions, a few small markdown files, and related chats, all kept together so the AI has the right background before it answers. The beginner mistake is dumping everything into a project, every PDF, every note, every half-written idea. That feels powerful for about 10 minutes and then the model's swimming through a junk drawer. Better context is not more context. Better context is curated context. A good project needs 5 simple pieces. First, the goal, what this project is trying to accomplish. Second, the current state, what is true right now. Third, style rules, how answers should sound and be formatted. Fourth, decisions, choices already made, so the AI does not relitigate them. Fifth, boundaries, what the AI should not do. You can make this practical with 5 tiny markdown files: goals, current state, style, decisions, and do not do. These do not need to be long. In fact, shorter is usually better. The point is to give the AI a map, not bury it under a mountain. For a YouTube channel project, the goal file might say, help plan, script, package, and review videos for a practical AI systems channel. The style file might say, clear, useful, no hype, no fake urgency. The decisions file might say, use this brand name, this narrator style, this thumbnail rule, and this publishing checklist. For a family travel project, the current state file might include the dates, travelers, constraints, budget range, hotel preferences, and non-negotiables. Then, every new chat can start from the actual trip, not from a blank page where you explain your life again like a cursed airport form. Project instructions should be operational. Bad instruction be helpful and detailed. Better instruction. Start with the recommendation, use bullets. Ask only when a decision blocks progress, and flag assumptions. Great project instructions tell the AI how to work, not just how to sound. A project gets stale unless you maintain it. After an important decision, add one line to decisions. When the status changes, update current state. When a document is no longer relevant, remove it or archive it. Context has a half-life. Old context can be worse than no context. Do not treat a project as a vault. Do not upload secrets, passwords, private keys, medical records, or anything you would be uncomfortable storing in that account. If you are using work, family, or client material, be deliberate. Useful context should be specific enough to help and limited enough to be safe. Here's the workflow I would use. Create the project. Add the 5 markdown files. Add only the reference documents that the AI genuinely needs. Start a chat with a concrete task. When the answer reveals a missing rule or repeated correction, update the project files. That is how the project improves over time. The point of ChatGPT projects is not to make the AI omniscient. The point is to make the next answer start closer to reality. Give it a clean context pack: goals, state, style, decisions, and boundaries. That is enough to turn a forgetful chatbot into a much more useful collaborator.